In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy style in Inkscape. Let's get started by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load so the main canvas and toolbars are ready. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. You only need the selection tool and a couple of shortcuts for this workflow. Next, open an existing document or create a new one. You can work with any file that has at least two objects, one with the look you like and another you want to restyle. If you're starting fresh, quickly draw a couple of shapes so you have both a source and a target ready. Now, select the source object that has the style you want to copy. This could be a shape with a specific fill color, gradient, stroke width, or dash pattern. It might even include effects like opacity or blur. Think of style as the appearance of the object, its paint and line settings, not its shape, size, or position. With the source object selected, press Ctrl+C to copy it. You can also right-click and choose Copy. You're not duplicating it on the canvas right now, you're just placing its information onto the clipboard so Inkscape can use it as a reference for style. On macOS, use Command+C. Next, select the target object or objects you want to change. You can click a single object, shift-click to select multiple items, or drag a selection box to grab several at once. This step tells Inkscape exactly which objects should receive the appearance from your source. Finally, paste the style. Press Shift plus Ctrl+V to paste style, or right-click, hover over Paste, and choose Style. Depending on your version, this may appear directly as Paste Style in the context menu. On macOS, use Shift plus Command+V. Instantly, the selected target objects adopt the source's appearance: fill, stroke color, stroke width, dash pattern, markers, gradients, blur, and opacity. What doesn't change is geometry. The shape, size, position, and path data remain exactly as they were. This makes paste style perfect for keeping a consistent look across many elements without disrupting your layout. If something doesn't look right, double-check that you selected the correct source before copying, and confirm your targets are selected before pasting the style. You can repeat this process as many times as you like, and it works across different object types, including shapes, paths, and text. That's all there is to it. Open your file, pick the styled object, copy it, select your targets, and paste the style. It's a fast, reliable way to keep your designs consistent in Inkscape.